A judge in Austin tonight is weighing the evidence in a hearing that will determine if the state takes over the Beaumont School District. BISD is seeking a temporary injunction to block the Education Commissioner's plan to boot out the school board and appoint a board of managers and replace the superintendent. The commissioner says BISD cannot manage its money and has lost the public trust. KFDM's Leslie Rangel covered the hearing. She joins us live from Austin to share some of the testimony and to tell us about the atmosphere in the courtroom. Leslie, any fireworks between the two sides?
Kelly, there actually were, and at times the BISD attorneys really seemed focused on how the commissioner announced he would implement the Board of Managers, while the TEA was really focused on the reasons why the board should be in place. Now, court ended shortly before 5 this afternoon. TEA declined to make a comment until the judge decides on the injunction, but BISD attorney Chris Tritico was very vocal about their arguments they made this morning. They say Commissioner Williams can give many reasons for a takeover, but he did not follow proper procedures according to the Texas Education Code. He says a board of managers would disenfranchise voters. Now, the TEA pointed out that the same Texas Education Code allows the commissioner to lower accreditation status and implement managers if needed. TEA says the board of managers would stop bleeding from financial problems. Now, BISD's attorney recognizes there are financial problems in the district, but says that's not what's being argued. Tritico says the bottom line is the commissioner did not follow proper steps according to the Texas Education Code.
I think that we made a very solid showing today that the commissioner violated the law. All the other stuff that we talked about really is superfluous to the real issue. The commissioner violated the law. If the judge agrees, and I think he will, then he should grant it.
Now, of course, students were also here. They made the trip from Beaumont. They were outside the courthouse, silent protesting, trying to show anyone who was driving by their stance. They support the Texas Education Agency takeover. They were also met with Dr. Shagwal when they came in. They described that he was a little surprised to see them, but they all say they support the Texas Education Agency takeover. They say they want the judge to make the right decision.
We are here to send a message. We brought it from Beaumont here to Austin, and we don't plan on stopping here. We just want to, get it out there how much corruption is going on within our district. And, we don't need to start with cutting the students' programs that are so important. Let's start with the administration. Let's start at the top.
Well, basically, we're here supporting our teachers all the way from Beaumont. And it would be nice if all of Austin would get to see our situation here. And we hope that they can support us too.
And of course, the judge said that he expects to have a decision made about the injunction by the end of the week. But since there was so much argument, so many points made this morning, he says that it could take him longer. Of course, stay with us on air and online as this story continues to develop. Reporting live from the Travis County Courthouse, Leslie Rangel, KFDM 6 News.